Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily add logo to your site in BigCommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do, let's just view store here. And what you want to do is be in the dashboard, click on storefront, and you will see it here logo. Click on it. Here, what you want to do is select your logo type. You can upload a custom image. So I'm going to select the image from computer. I will go to where I have my logos and I'm going to choose my logo. Also, the recommended size is 250 to 100. Okay. We can optimize it for theme. Really simple, really easy. And when I'm going to click save, I'm going to restart it and let's see. See, it's really easy, really simple. You can also, let's say that I'm going to make it original or specify dimensions. Really up to, if I leave it to original, let's see how it looks like. It's going to be really big, right? Yeah. I think this is too much. So yeah, let's go with the theme. Okay. Yeah, what I recommend is also try to play with it a little bit and make the text bigger if you want to upload it with your logo, and that's kind of it. So this is how you can upload logo in my BigCommerce. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.